I just want to say thank you so much for coming around, and if you're part of the family, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for coming again to watch the video today. I said, if you see my thumbnail, I told you that I'm gonna be giving out 1 million naira. Now, the 1 million naira is giving you an opportunity that will make you that 1 million naira. Now, if you are willing to change your financial story, you need to do this, and it's absolutely free. You're not going to put any money. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the process. One thing you need to know is that a lot of people buy data, and what they do with their data is to waste their data. Now the question is, are you wasting your data, or you are making money with your data? If you have an Android phone or a smartphone and you're not making money with your smartphone, then your phone is smarter than you. All right, so if you want to be smarter than your phone, then you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, and after this video you realize that, oh, so you can make a lot of money like this with your phone. All right, let me dive into the video without any further ado. Now, if you're yet to subscribe my channel, maybe this is your first time, thank you for coming, and don't forget to just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. When you do so, you will never miss any of my video. All right, so, and you can also give this video a like, maybe if you get any value in it, and also do me a favor, go to the comment section and comment, let's make money. All right, let's go into it. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right now. Then I'm going to walk you through the process of registering and what you need to do to make that 1 million for free. All right, guys, for free. I said it, yeah, for free. Okay, now I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video. Now, after which you've registered through the link, then you're going to go to your Play Store and download the application. All right, so I'm going to click on the link. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to something like this. You're going to see something like this. Then when you have something like this, all you just need to do is you're going to register. But before you register, let me explain what is this project all about. This project is called CatStar. Is a CatStar. All right, the cat coin that's yet to be released. All right, when you register and you start mining this cat coin, how many of you remember when Bitcoin newly came in, they give out their mining for free? People are mining Bitcoin for free, you know, and even up to now people are still mining Bitcoin. So when they newly joined, when they newly launched their product, they start giving out people to mine their coin, and at the end of it all, you can convert it to money. All right, same thing these people are doing right now. And it's free. Free, free. Okay, you remember when Remitano also started, they also gave out their coin for free for mining, and now if you have a lot of Remitano coin, you can also change it to money. All right, so when Doge also started, they give it out for free for mining. So the same thing these people are doing right now, which you have to take the advantage and use the opportunity to make 1 million for yourself. I'm going to walk you through it. All right, so first thing you want to do right now is click here and put in your email. So let's say my email is this. Then after which you've done that, the next thing you want to do, you after putting your email, is free, so don't bother yourself to, you have nothing to lose. All right, you put in your email, then you click on send. Once you put in your email, you click on send. They're going to send the code to this email you provided. Then the code, you have to input the code in this place. All right, after which you've done that, you're going to put your password here and repeat the same password, and the next thing you want to click on, you click on register now. All right, so I'm going to do that right away. So once I click on send, then I'm going to expect the code in my email. All right, so once I click on send, then this thing, you have to fulfill this puzzle. So what you need to do to this puzzle is say, let me bring out this brush. You can see this box here, this puzzle box. I have to make sure it fits into this part. So I'm going to drag it from here to this place, all right, to fit in. All right, that's what I'm going to do right now. So how do I drag it in? I'll click on this button to drag it. All right, so I'm going to drag it like this, and boom, good to go. Now I'm going to be expecting the link in the code in my email. I have just this countdown. That means within this period I should get it in my email and input it right here. So let me head on to my email from my second phone and copy it out and paste it right here. All right, so now we're good. All right, we're good. Okay, just a moment, let me refresh my email. Okay, I think I have it here. All right, I have it here. 46665. All right, now next thing I want to put in my password. All right, so I'm gonna put in my password and come back. All right, now I've put in my password. The next thing I want to do is to click on this button that says register now. So I'm gonna do that right away. Good. Now I've done all of this. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to download the application on my phone. So what I'm going to do is to click on this button that says download on the Google Play Store. All right, so I'm going to click on download on Google Play Store, and it's going to take me to my Google Play Store, and boom, we're good to go. You can see. So what I want to do right now is to click on install. So I'm going to click on install. So I'm going to wait for it. CatStar. All right, I'm going to wait for it. Okay, now don't forget to give this video a like if you are getting value already. Okay, so right now we are going to click on open once the installation finishes. Okay, hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you. All right, so click on open. Okay, this is an opportunity, guys. So the next thing you want to do, you want to agree to the term and condition. You can also read through the terms and condition if you want to do so, and after which you've done that, then you click on agree, and boom, then the next thing you want to do, you can swipe this to the right. Okay, to the right like this to read what is there, like new gameplay, or one touch away, then team motivation for more returns, seeking returns automatically and making money easily, then limited worldwide, first come first serve. All right, so you can click on start now. Good. Right now, this is what you're gonna do. They are giving you instruction like a tutor on what you do. Click on the button to get earnings. The income can be automatically earned when you clicking when clicking the start button, which needs to be clicked again after 12 hours, meaning every 12 hours you're coming back here to click the button. That's all you're doing. You have nothing to lose. Okay, every 12 hours, that means in a day you are doing it twice a day. All right, so click on start button. All right, so once you click on start button, then you want to put in the password and email you provided. All right, so I'm going to do that right now and then put in the password. Okay, boom. After which you've done that, then the next thing you want to do, you want to click on this button that says by checking you agree. Okay, click on it, then click on sign in or log in, anyone. Now if you've registered and you are here, I just want to say congratulations to you, because you are just a few steps away to make your 1 million. All right, so what you need to do right now is by clicking the when you click on start startup, when you click on this startup, your mining rate is going to be based on this basic rate, okay, which is 0.02 rate. Now when you refer people to your team, I mean giving more people this opportunity to also join and make money on this platform. So you when you have people coming in, your mining rate is going to be changing. Okay, it's going to be changing. Then the more people you have on board, the more rating you're getting, and the faster coin you're mining. All right, so let me show you something very interesting. Okay, let me show you something. Now if you click on this button that says buyback, if you click on the buyback button, you're gonna see something right here. So I'm gonna click on it. All right, so I'm gonna click on buyback. Then I'm gonna show you something very brief. It says buyback amount. Now the platform we buy back CAT with our own fund of 1 million USDT. So they have 1 million USDT to be paid to anybody that have mined this particular coin. All right, so what you need to do, just keep mining. The company is willing to buy back the coin from you from January next year. They are going to be buying back the coin. Anybody that have mined coin, they're going to be buying back from you. So you can read that through. You can go through all of this. The platform we buy back CAT with our own fund of 1 million USDT. The official buyback price for CAT is 1 CAT is equal to 0.001 USDT. All right, and a total of 100 million CAT will be bought back. So this is how you make the money. So what you need to do is to start mining now. So by the time it gets to next year January, you are going to be part of those people they are going to buy back the coin from. All right guys, so your buyback qualification for global members, as long as the number of real active friends of your team is 10, you can participate in the buyback and get USDT, meaning that you need to at least 10 of your friends need to be active for them to buy back from your CAT that you've mined. Okay, meaning 10 people that you've referred need to be active. You know, some people will join, they also want to make money like I said, but they're gonna download the app, mine for a while, and then stop, which is not normal. All right, so what you just need to do, encourage them to also keep mining so that they're gonna stay active, stay connected, so you are going to be qualifying for that buyback, and they also can be qualified for the buyback. So let's move on. So you can also go after this video, you can just take your time to read through all these things, buyback criteria. You can go back and read that, buyback time. All right, so that's what you need to do, guys. I just opened this new account to show you that you can actually make 1 million if you put in the energy on these cards this opportunity, this CAT coin opportunity. This is an opportunity that a lot of people will look at it and say, oh, I don't have the time. You don't have the time to make money using your phone, but you have the time to waste your data watching Facebook, going through comments, and it's not bringing any money into your pocket. So you need to take the advantage and use the opportunity well. Guys, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. Make sure you click on it and use it, because if you don't use it, you won't be allowed in to get started. All right guys, like, come your way, give my name Seun Digital. Don't forget to give this video a like and also turn on the notification bell. It's going to be easy if you can also drop a comment in the comment section and say, let's make the money. The next video you're going to be seeing right now is a video that show you how to make more money online. Bye for now.